I will explain these two terminologies again, isobars and isotones. What are isobars? Atoms of different elements having same mass number, but the elements are different. Atoms of different elements having same mass number. What are isotones? Atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons. Isobars example, different elements you take like nitrogen and carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6, mass number is 12. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. So हे असेल atomic numbers of both these elements are different, whereas mass number is same. Both elements are different with same mass number but different atomic number. Iso means always same. Isobar, isotones. Isobars are the atoms of different element with same mass number. For example, 7 and 14, 6C14. Now you may ask me, teacher, 6C14 here radioactive as students. Carbon dating मध्ये last year you have learnt it. The atomic number is different but the mass number is same. What are isotones? Isotones are also atoms of different elements with same number of neutrons. 6C, 5B11. Number of protons are what? What are number of protons here? 6 and 5. What about the neutrons? In case number 1, it is 11 minus 5 for boron. How much is it? 6. And for carbon, it is 12 minus 6, which is 6 again. So isobars have same atoms of different element with same mass number. Isotones are atoms of different elements with same number of neutrons, that is 5B11, 6C12. Protons are different, neutrons are same. See here, both have 6 neutrons each. That's it. Okay, this is one concept here. Now we'll be discussing the drawbacks of Rutherford's model. What are the plus points of Rutherford's model here? Key atom consists of what are the drawbacks of Rutherford's model? Atom consists of central positively drawbacks म्हणण्यापेक्षा पहिले तुम्हाला मी ते मॉडेल काय ते सांगते. Atoms consist of central let me clear once again. I am discussing first the Rutherford's model and then we will discuss the drawback, because you should know first of all what is the Rutherford's model here. It's not clearly mentioned in the textbook, students. Rutherford's model says that atom consists of central positively charged nucleus in which electrons revolve in circular orbits around the nucleus. So what is the Rutherford's model? Rutherford said that atom consists of central positively charged nucleus where the entire mass and positive charge is concentrated. Negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits. Point is that the motion of electrons around the nucleus resembles the motion of planets around the sun. The means, in brief, you can call the Rutherford's model of atom as Rutherford's planetary model of atom, because he said that as the just like how the planets revolve around the central sun, actually it is elliptical path there, but for theoretical consideration we never take ellipse, we take circular itself. As the sun is the central core and planets revolve around the nucleus, in the same way nucleus is the central core around which the electrons revolve in circular orbits. Is it okay? This was the Rutherford's model. म्हणजे फक्त एवढं लक्षात ठेवा, 2 points की atom consists of central positively charged nucleus where the entire positive charge and mass is concentrated. Negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths. Okay. The motion of the electron resembles the motion of the planets around the sun, and hence it is called as a planetary model. That's it. Is it okay? आता drawbacks काय? Concentrate on the drawbacks. According to electromagnetic theory of radiation proposed by Maxwell. Who was this gentleman? Not me and you. It was Maxwell. ठीक है? According to Maxwell, all the accelerated charged particle in motion emits radiation. Means whichever charged particle is in motion, it always emits radiation. Now, apply this to Rutherford's model here. Nucleus, electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit. Electron is a charged particle which revolves around the nucleus in circular motion. Students, सांगायचं काय की according to Maxwell's theory, every accelerated charged particle in motion emits radiation, gives out radiation. Hence that charged particle should follow a spiral path. ह्याला हे चकलीचा आकार असतो त्याला spiral path म्हणतात. Hence the charged particle follows a spiral path. Because as it continuously emits radiation, the radius of the circular orbit goes on decreasing. Similarly, electron is a charged particle, no doubt negatively charged. It revolves in a circular orbit around the nucleus. Means electron should continuously emit radiation, follow a spiral path.